In this video, I'll demonstrate testing a CICS program with CADevTest. First thing we need to do is go into Application Insight and turn on Capture. For each of the agents, we ensure that it's capturing full data. And turn Capture on. Full data. Start Capture. Full data. And start Capture. Now that we're capturing, I'll run the CICS transaction through the CICS transaction gateway. This little Java program will execute the CICS transaction through the CICS transaction gateway. And now that's done, we can go in and look at the recorded transaction. It takes about 1 minute for the transactions to appear in Application Insight. And there's the transaction. Let's take a look at it. We see the transaction comes into the CICS transaction gateway into CICS1. Here's the programs that are the preamble to the CTG. And it launches the first program in the transaction, which is demo INQ, which links to a bunch of other programs. The program we're interested in is demo getB, which is a distributed program link over to CICS2. So here's demo getB actually getting executed. And this is the program that I want to test in isolation. So to do that, I'd like to create a virtual service to virtualize this program demo gbal, and then create a baseline for demo getB to execute it. So first we'll create a virtual service for demo gbal. I put that on the shelf, go to the shelf, and create a virtual service. I'll use a copybook bundle that is called CICS, and set the code page to IBM 037. I'll give it a prefix of demo gbal, and I'll create and deploy it and delete it from the shelf. And now the virtual service is created. I'll go back to my transaction and zoom in on CICS2. And now for demo getB, I'll place it on the shelf and go to the shelf. And now I'll create a baseline. And I'll call this baseline prefixed by demo getB. And now the baseline is created. I'll go into the virtual service environment and verify that my virtual service is running. And indeed it is. Demo GBAL is being virtualized on CICS TS52. And now I'll go into my test cases. And there's the test that I just created, called Demo Get B. And I can run this test. The test is finished and passed. So I can go into my virtual service and stop the virtual service. And the last thing I'll do is check for the transaction in Application Insight that shows the test. So here's the test I just ran. And we can look at that path, and it shows that the test was delivered to the CICS agent, which started up a transaction called TKOA to run the test, and it did a link to Demo Get B, passing the COM area that was recorded in the test. Demo Get B did its link to Demo GBAL, which was virtualized, so it doesn't show up in the path. And Demo Get B responded back to TKOA with the COM area, the resulting COM area, and that was compared in the test against the recorded COM area, and it matched, so the test passed. And that's how simple it is to test a program a CICS program in isolation with DevTest. Thank you.